Good morning everyone! Ito po ang The Mindful Tito Podcast with me, Pop-Up Cardenas, where we share tips and lessons on having a better mindset as we grow older and becoming a happy human with a healthy mind. FYI, I'm here to share my life experiences, successes, and failures. The information presented in this podcast is to inspire people. I recommend seeking guidance from experts such as mental health advocates and other experts in the chosen field. But rest assured that all your feedback, comments, and suggestions are important to me to improve my content moving forward. Good morning everyone and welcome to another episode of The Mindful Tito. Again, ako po si Pop-Up Cardenas and today's episode is a simple but powerful reminder. Expect nothing, accept everything. Alam ko medyo kontra ito sa mga usual advice na naririnig natin sa mga inspirational quotes tulad ng dream big, plan ahead, visualize success. Lahat naman yan may value. Pero may mga moments din sa buhay natin na kahit gaano tayo ka-prepared, hindi pa rin ayon ang universe sa plano. Pero ang tanong, bakit tayo nasasaktan kapag hindi natutupad ang isang bagay? Kadalasan, hindi dahil sa nangyari, pero dahil may inaasahan tayong mangyari at hindi yon ang lumabas. Minsan kahit hindi natin sabihin ito ng malakas, sa loob-loob naman natin may hidden expectation pa rin tayo. Tulad ng, pag ginawa ko to, dapat may reward. Nag-effort naman ako, so dapat i-appreciate nila ako. Nagplano ako, so dapat sumunod ang universe sa plano ko. Pero ang totoo, life doesn't owe us anything. Hindi lahat ng effort may instant reward. Hindi lahat ng plano matutupad. And that's okay. So here are some lessons and reflections. Lesson number 1, hidden expectations create hidden frustrations. Hindi masama ang magplano. Hindi masama ang mangarap. Pero ang challenge is, paano kapag hindi nangyari ang gusto mo? Do we break down or do we bend with the flow? Remember this, expectation is rigid. Acceptance is fluid. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Expectations rigid. Ibig sabihin nito kapag may expectation tayo na parang may specific na script tayo sa isip natin kung paano dapat mangyari ang isang bagay at kapag hindi ito nasunod, madalas naiinis tayo, nalulungkot at nadidisappoint. For example, dapat i-message niya ako by 8 p.m. Dapat matapos ko ito by the age of 30. So ang expectation parang matigas na plano na dapat sundin. Kaya rigid siya. Hindi flexible. Hindi open sa pagbabago. Acceptance is fluid. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin nito? Ang acceptance naman ay parang tubig. Umaayon sa sitwasyon. Hindi pinipilit ang gusto natin. It doesn't mean na wala tayong pakialam ha. Ang ibig sabihin lang, handa tayong tumanggap ng kahit anong mangyari at mag-adjust ng kalmado. For example, ay hindi siya nag-message sa akin. Baka may pinagdadaanan siya. So okay lang. Hindi ko natapos yung set kong goals by the age of 30. Pero tuloy lang. I'm still growing. Kasi tandaan natin, kapag sobrang naka-attach tayo sa outcome, sobrang dali nating ma-disappoint. Pero kapag natutunan nating tanggapin ang nangyayari as it is, hindi ibig sabihin na wala tayong pakialam. Ibig sabihin lang na we're present enough to deal with what's real. Lesson number 2, presence over prediction. Minsan naman, sa sobrang focus natin sa kung ano dapat ang mangyari, hindi na natin nakikita kung ano talaga ang nangyayari at the present moment. What if instead of saying, ano kayang susunod? Or paano kung hindi ito mangyari? We should ask, ano ba ang meron ngayon? Ano ang kailangan kong gawin para hindi ako nag-worry sa mangyayari? Acceptance is not giving up. It's showing up. Kahit uncertain, kahit hindi sigurado, or kahit hindi perfect ang sitwasyon. Lesson number 3, solve problems as they arise. Lalo na sa mental health and emotional well-being. Sobrang laki ng tulong kapag tinatanggap natin ang mga bagay sa takdang panahon. Hindi laging kailangan ng 5-year plan ha. Minsan, sapat na ang gising tayo ngayong araw. Kumakain tayo ng maayos, nakakahinga ka pa rin. Ibig sabihin, it's another chance in life. At oo, kahit papaano, sumusubok ka pa rin. Kahit mahirap, kahit mabigat, ang mahalaga, nagpapatuloy tayo. Problems will come, but when you face them as they arise, mas may clarity ka, mas kalmado ang response mo, hindi panic, hindi overthinking, just presence. So paano ba natin ito ma-apply sa buhay natin ngayon? Here are some mindful Tito reminders. Number 1, pause before you assume. May expectation ka na ba agad? Or pwede mo munang i-observe ang sitwasyon? Number 2, practice detachment. Plan, but don't obsess over the result. Let the outcome be what it needs to be. Number 3, say this mantra. I do my part. The rest, I surrender. I surrender to God or I surrender to the universe. And number 4, take things day by day. Hindi mo kailangang isolve lahat ngayon. One step at a time lang. So ayun nga mga pamangkin, expect nothing, accept everything doesn't mean you stop dreaming or caring. It means you give your best but you let go of the need to control every outcome. It's a softer, saner way to live. Mas chill, mas peaceful, at mas present. And that's all we have for this episode, and thank you so much for listening. If this episode spoke to you, pakishare naman sa mga kaibigan mong overthinkers, planners, at mga taong laging stress sa what-ifs. And if may insights kayo or kwento about your own mindset shift, DM nyo lang ako at Popop Cardenas on Instagram. But before I end this episode, I will truly appreciate it if you share this episode or even my podcast and my YouTube channel to your friends, to your colleagues, to your family, because I am more than happy to share good energy with people. Sa uulitin, ako po si Popop Cardenas and this is the Mindful Tito Podcast. Just a short message, don't be hard on yourself and avoid negative self-talk so you can also share kindness and good energy to the people around you. Again, my name is Popop at maraming salamat po.